Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your reasoning class. Class 5th, subject reasoning, chapter number 4. Name of the chapter is Mirror Images and it is our lecture number 3. Today's lecture is based on the mirror images of numbers and mirror images of letters. These are alphabets. Okay. So first of all, you have to understood how these alphabets, how these numbers will be shown in its mirror image. Like 0 is looking like 0 only, no change. 1, this is the mirror image of 1. 2, reverse it. 3, this is the mirror image of 3. 4, 5, left side of the digit will become right side and right side will become left side. Next is 6, its mirror image, reverse. 7, 8, no change. 9, reverse. 0 and 8, these numbers or these digits have the mirror images same as their original form. Okay, so these are the mirror images same as their original form. Now look here, mirror images of these English letters. A, its image. B, left side will become right side and right will become left. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, no change. J, K, L, M, no change. N, N का केयरफुली देखिए बेटा. N, left and right side and say this, the slanting line, diagonal line is there. तो ध्यान से देखिए कैसे चेंज होगी. O, no change. P, Q, R, S, T, no change. U, no change. V, no change. W, no change. X, there is no change in the mirror image. Y, no. To one example of this lecture 3. Here the direction is given. Find the mirror image of the given objects and tick the correct answer. These are written as objects. Otherwise, these are the alphabets and the numbers, digits which are arranged together. Okay. Look here. A, B, C, M, 2, 5. Now, mirror image of this. See, first of all, 5 will be written first. Look here, 5. And then 2. 5, 2. Then M. This is wrong. M and no change. C, reverse of it. B, left portion will become right, right will become left. And A, no change. So your answer is option A. Got it? 5 will be written first. But यहाँ पर M, W बन गया. That is wrong. In the starting 5 is not there, so it is also wrong. And here see, 5 and 2 are there, but M is not written as same because there is no change in mirror image of M. So correct option is A. Got it? Now you will get 5 homework questions. Your first question, 2PQR. You have to find out the mirror image of this 2PQR from A, B, C and D. You have to tick the correct option. Second question, SPIRIT86. Choose the mirror image. Third question, 86535 DFE. Always keep in mind these mirror images and these mirror images. You can write down these, these images, or you can take the screenshot of these mirror images. Now question number 4, NAKSHATRA59. 9 will come first, then 5, then A, then R in its mirror image. Okay, choose the correct option. And last is CANON 9 6. So it will become 6 9 NONAC, and each alphabet and digit will be flipped. Left side will become right side and right side will become left. So choose the correct option. I hope you have understood. Now it's time to do homework discussion. Homework discussion of lecture 2. Chapter is for mirror images. Okay. In first question, clock was made showing this time. When you will take the mirror image of this, the time will be, it is right arrow is to the right side, it will move to the left side. और इसमें चेंज नहीं होगा, अप से डाउन नहीं जाना है, राइट टू लेफ्ट ओनली. So for first question your answer will be option A. Got it? Remaining are wrong. See, तो सेम वही हो गया है ना. हेयर ये जो आपका अबव ये हैंड है, ये यहीं पर ही रहना चाहिए. सो these two are wrong and this, it is showing the same time. So our answer is option A. Question number 2. Say this mirror image we have to find out of this figure. This circle is filled with blue color. When it will show the when we have to find out the mirror image, this circle will be in this way. Above ऊपर है तो ऊपर ही रहेगा, नीचे नहीं लाना है, बॉटम में नहीं लाना. Like it is showing down. No, it's wrong. Here also it is wrong. So correct answer is option B only. एक सिंगल सर्कल से ही आप पहचान कर सकते हो. थर्ड होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. दिस फिगर इज गिवन टू अस. फिगर को आप इस तरीके से देख लीजिए. ये आप इस फिगर का राइट साइड है, ठीक है. तो राइट साइड में टॉप पर आपका ये सर्कल है विच इज फिल्ड विद ऑरेंज कलर. व्हेन इट विल फ्लिप, जब ये रिवर्स मूव करेगा तो ये सर्कल आपका यहाँ आ जाना चाहिए, है ना. एंड कलर orange only. So your option C is correct. Got it? Question number 4. Again इसमें भी आप फिगर को चेक कर लीजिए कि इसका राइट साइड पे क्या है कलर्स और क्या फिगर बनी है, लेफ्ट में क्या है. These are all squares of different colors. When you are finding out the mirror image, this purple and this orange green color will be, these are to the right side, it will be shown to the left. Okay, so check it. Purple, then orange, green, purple, orange, peach. No, purple, orange, green. Getting it? So D is correct. एक वन साइड से ही आपको पता चल रहा है, अदरवाइज आप यहाँ से चेक करेंगे देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट योर आंसर. अबव से चेक करेंगे तो अबव एंड डाउन चेंजेस नहीं आएंगे. टॉप और बॉटम में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा कि उसको आपने ऊपर से नीचे फ्लिप करना. नो, आपको लेफ्ट टू राइट में इसको मूव करना. एंड लास्ट होमवर्क क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द मिरर इमेज, टॉप पे ट्रायंगल है, ट्रायंगल ही रहेगा. ट्रायंगल ट्रायंगल, दीज टू आर रॉन्ग. Now we have to find out the correct from these two options. This square is to the right side, it will move to the left. Definitely we will get The correct option, that is option B. Very simple. I hope you have got the correct answers. If no, revise the topic again. That's all for today's class. Take care. Bye bye all of you.